Hi there, this is Claire Rooney from clairerooney.com. Today I'm going to take you through a Pilates inspired shoulder girdle releasing routine. A very quick and brief routine that will benefit you if you're a person who carries a lot of tension and stress around the shoulder area. So let's get down over one shoulder, onto your mat. We're going to bend the knees, put the feet flat on the floor and put the palms facing downwards. We're going to inhale to bring the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale to glide the fingertips down. Inhale, shoulders come up to the ears. And I'm most interested in the shoulder blades gliding down as the fingers slide along the mat. We're not going to ram the shoulder blades, we're going to glide them gently. We inhale, the shoulders go up. We exhale. As you exhale, soften the front of the chest as if you're doing a big sigh of relief. Melting the chest tension, melting all of that upper body tension. Now we're going to wrap the arms around, give yourself a big hug, elbows pointing directly to the ceiling. Inhale, reach the elbows up to the ceiling, the shoulder blades spreading apart in the rear. Exhale, melt the elbows back down again, chest melting. Inhale, elbows reach up to the ceiling. We feel the shoulder blades pulling apart. Now melt the chest. Again, like a big sigh of relief. Now if you're at home practicing this, you can literally make a sighing sound. Inhale to go up. Inhale to reach up. And melt. Let's do two more of these, reaching up and melt. One more time. Inhale to reach up and melt. Now fingertips pointing to the ceiling, arms are perpendicular to the floor. You're going to inhale, reach up, up until the shoulder blade peels off. And now I want you to just drop the arm but keep it straight. Reach up, inhale, reach up as high as you can. Drop it but keep it straight. Reach up, drop. Reach up, drop. Reach up, drop. Drop. Keep the arm straight. Let it just drop down. I promise it won't hurt. Just let it drop. One more time each side. Let it drop. Last time, reach. Drop. Now we're going to touch the fingertips to the shoulders. We're going to do a nice little circle. Inhale up. Exhale, sweep it around. Inhale up. Exhale, sweep it around. The fingertips are on the top of the shoulders. We inhale, we sweep it around. Inhale and exhale to sweep it around. We reverse. Inhale, open it out to the side. Exhale down through the middle. Open it out to the side. Exhale down through the middle. Open it out to the side. Exhale down to the middle. Open it out to the side. Exhale down to the middle. Fingers pointing up again. One arm reaches across. Now you're going to reach as if you're trying to touch the opposite wall and just sneak that arm back very slow and very low and then back to the top position. Reach the other on the diagonal. Reach it across, stretch. Now sneak it back slowly. You're sneaking it back. And on the other side, reach across on the diagonal, reach until you feel a big stretch in that shoulder blade upper back area. Now just sneak it back as if you're doing a little limbo dance under a bar. Sneak it back, keep it low, back to the upright position. On the diagonal, reach, feel that stretch. Now sneak the arm back low and slow, nice and easy. One last time, reach it across. Stretch it without straining, and now sneak it back low. Now Now we're going to put the forearms on top of each other. We're going to inhale, bring the arms overhead. Now just see if it's possible to bring them to the floor. Now if this is not possible, do not force the range. Inhale, if it's possible to touch the arms down overhead, well and good. If not, do not force it. Exhale, inhale as the arms go overhead, and exhale to come down. Inhale as the arms go overhead, and exhale down. Inhale as the arms go overhead, and exhale down. Now I'm going to come back into my seated position, and we're going to do a final little seated exercise. Up, wide, wide, wide with the shoulder blades, and down. Inhale, shoulders up to the ears. Now wide, 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 shoulder blades track down. Inhale, shoulders up. Wide, 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 and down. One last time. Inhale up. Stretch those shoulder blades wide as if you're in double glazing, and relax. So that was a simple little shoulder mobilization routine. It's wonderful if you're feeling all hunchy and bunchy and stressed at the end of a hard day's work. You'll just release those shoulders out and get you feeling yourself again. So this is Claire Rooney. You can check out my website www.clairerooney.com, and you'll find lots of more interesting tools there, from online Pilates course to information on personal training and online training. Have a magical day.